Well, every time I sew, I always think of her. I can just hear her kind of in the back of my mind, telling me how to do it properly.
Christine Begay remembers her mom when she sews.
And it's something I miss hearing.
Both her parents passed away when she was young. Her mother died in a car accident.
The Navajo word they would call all their children is Shiaje. And which means, my child, my little one. And, they both would call me that all the time.
While Christine can't erase the past, she can only look towards the future. Christine finds strength through sewing. She remembers spending time sewing with her mom, just like she does now with her little girl.
Kind of a flashback, because I get after her the same way my mom got after me.
Like mother, like daughter, she is an artist at heart and sews what she loved.
We start off sewing right here.
She created this jingle dress for her daughter to wear. A jingle dress is a traditional Native American garment that is created and worn during celebrations.
For Native Americans, we get together during a social gathering, which is called a powwow. So the jingle dress is kind of something I danced when I was younger, and it's something I wanted her to have some pride in.
Christine's jingle dress helped her receive a scholarship.
You can see how she personalized the dress with her own family. And you get to see the love in the dress.
Her background growing up and her love for her culture is inspiring others.
Like Chrissy, she could be my daughter, and through Navajo way, our culture, like I said, I could be her mother, and with her little daughter Kaya, I could be her grandma.
And that's what makes this story truly moving. Loretta has taken Christine under her wing.
It feels good to have someone watching over me.
She went through a lot of struggles, with not having a mom, and she's a single mom, and I think that's how she and I connected.
Loretta encourages Christine to take her education seriously.
She has taken business classes. We talked again about this, and she wants to go back into fashion. And she wants to start her own business, and I think she's going to do an excellent job.
She lights up the room, as you see. And she's very dedicated to her studies, very thoughtful, very thorough.
It's okay.
Christine has found peace in her kitchen where she sews, and thanks the people who've supported her to pursue a degree in fashion. Most stories are written with words on paper, but for Christine, she writes her future with a needle and thread. For Maricopa Now, I'm Lisa Aquafreda.